What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Battle Cats video. Today we are playing Cats the Cosmos and then some more Legend stages. So I did end up getting Can Talent Aliens now. So yeah. And I have a huge surprise for you. Are you guys ready? In the month of November, I will be uploading a lot of sprinkler videos before the season ends. Second year doing it. I know sprinkler videos kind of boring to you guys, but after that, in December, I'm gonna make a whole ton of Battle Cats videos, and the Battle Cats videos won't stop until February, and possibly to the end of February or the beginning of March. So let's get started with today's episode, and then we'll be changing our profile pictures too. That will be our Parrot Place tradition for each year. Battle Cat, a ton of sprinkler videos starting in November before the sprinkler videos end, and then we'll do a whole ton of Battle Cats videos. So let's get started with this. Oh my gosh, it's a Ursa Major and a moose. Right now the conditions for this are Fanoa. No, the restrictions for this are why do I keep saying that? It's row 1 only. There. So after a couple more Cats of the Cosmos level, after a little bit more Cats of the Cosmos, we're gonna move on to Legend stages. It's just that the reason why I haven't been talking in the past Battle Cats videos as much is because I've been waiting for this to happen. I've been waiting till we getting closer and closer to November, and we're already in the month of September. I'm pretty sure the last time I made a Battle Cats video was like in August, but if it wasn't September, we're just getting a little bit closer, so I'm getting possibly more excited. So Miratas. Oh, there's no restrictions on here. Let's go. But first, I gotta fix this up. So you can stay at the bottom. Alright, we good. Miratas. I have to go do something really quick, so I'll see you guys back in a little bit so we can play the level. Alright, starting the level with a Project A and a Resolar. And a Star Bank. I'm waiting a little bit, guys, and now we gotta start spamming because they're getting kind of too close. I don't know how, but my dad beat a lot of levels with no true forms at all. He literally has like one true form, and I'm pretty sure it's like Ninja, so not even sure I beat this, but I'm able to do it. So here we go. Just gotta win this. Okay. Okay, we might need to try this again. Actually, you know what? Guys, please forgive me. Wakey. I had to, guys. I gotta not know myself. Okay. I know I started slowing down and talking there for a minute, but that's okay. We have like triple Bahamut out here, I'm pretty sure. Miratas. Here across the seed. Garura. Only special. Yeah, only special. But I hope we have some good special units. You guys will be my meat shields. You know, add a third one in there as well. Coconut Head will be one of my main attackers along with Dancer, Beefcake. Also taking Loincloth and you. And then the last will be Valkyrie and Bahamut. So you know what? I'm gonna get rid of Loincloth for Carpet Cat for no good reason at all. Alright. I'm gonna see if I can fix the lives later, and I'll possibly go live tomorrow. But I'm going to see if I can fix it first. And if I can't fix it, and we're going to have to go again, then we're going to have to wait a little bit while again. Alright, here we go. Aurora. Alright. You guys don't take long to reload. I gotta get a coconut head straight out here already, or else we're gonna lose. Coconut head, coconut head. There we go. Coconut head. Coconut head, gotta stay away. Oh, you guys, the doggies gotta stay away from coconut head. Nyan, nyan. I gotta stop with my weird stuff, but sometimes I can't help myself, guys. Bahamut. Carpet. Pretty sure January 31st is when Carpet Cat comes on again. That's when I'm going to try to get the true form of Carpet. They just set me up, didn't they? I remember I got Gato Amigo's true form on my brother's birthday, I'm pretty sure. Gotta take a little moment there because Boar is there, and he takes a little while to kill. But I remember I got Gato Amigo on my brother's birthday of this year, which was in February. And his birthday's almost coming back up. So, here we go. Come on, Carpet Cat, do something! Carpet Cat! Carpet Cat! Carpet Cat, why are you just standing there? Why are you just standing? Why are you just standing? Come on, Carpet Cat, come on, do something. I know you don't. I know you only do like 1 damage per second, but come on, just do. All right, there we go. Alright, we just lost, guys. We're gonna try this again since it's only special units. I don't have anything, do I? Can I clear it? Oh. You know what? I think it's safe to say we can go back to Legend Stages now. I'll play that in a live stream or the next video. Cat Scratcher. Oh yeah, I forgot that we even had a collab on Traitless Citadel. One of my subscribers did tell me that there was a Traitless Citadel yesterday, but I didn't want to play Battle Cats. It came with like the worst loadout ever. I don't know if you ask me. Last time I played this is my old layout. I want to copy this layout and I want to keep it because it brings back a lot of memories. Not my metal loadout. This one. Place. There you go, guys. This is what I used a long time ago. Like maybe about last Christmas. Maybe we'll use this layout. Why am I using it? We'll save that for a future battle. Maybe we'll use it. Comment down below if we should use the layout, guys. Put myself up to a challenge because I will do it. That means if I go over here now, yeah, he'll be awakened. Alright. Let's go. Why is it? Did I not swap it the first time? Alright, now we good. Now we're good. Now we're good for sure. Alright, now we good. Oh my gosh. I ain't even gonna restart it, but these guys are not on their true form, so I'm gonna play the battle first and then I will Traitless. This is gonna be full of Traitless enemies, and there's only 10 floors on the Traitless Citadel, so I want to see if I can try to complete it, which is very unlikely, but I want to try. Put myself in a challenge. You guys know what I'm saying? Rich cat. Alright, we good. Alright, Eraser. A Tark. What did I say? Alright, floor 2, Jackie Pang. Along with some Courier Cat, get him. Seafarer. Harry Potter's back. It's Harry Potter. And so those guys that don't come on until like January. Alright, floor 3. Let's go. I think we are gonna use that loadout like, I don't know, like twice in December, but I don't know, guys. I don't know. I want to do it again, but because it was fun time. I want to see what it's like using the starter layout, but I don't think I will. Maybe though. Oh yeah, I forgot this man freezes everything. Freeze. All right. There you go. Floor 4. I'm getting addicted to the Citadel. Okay. Glow stick people. Glow stick people. Alright, I was just so focused there, but alright, there we go. We got rid of Legsley. I'm pretty sure is its name, but Legsley, I'm not sure. If not, then that's just a made-up name that I made up. So, welcome to the family, Legsley. Oh man, it's a buff bear. Whatever will I do? Don't worry, I think I'll be able. Do I have the new unit for the September one? I'm not sure. This gotta be looking mighty strong. Alright, I think we're gonna stop at floor 5 right now. After we beat this, we're gonna stop and then we'll continue the first 5 levels along with Cats of the Cosmos levels in the future. But I'm not, because I want to check if I have the unit already for November. And if I already completed it too for the Meow Medal. Not sure if I did, but alright, let's check. Cat ticket. Let me check. Old Guys About Town. Did I complete it? Okay, I already have the unit. It's just that I didn't complete it yet. So, I think we're going to do that. Do this. I also have a lucky capsule from when I rolled the ticket this morning. Titan. No, because he will now be level 45. And then Euro will now be level 35. Alright, there we go. I'm pretty sure. Why did I leave that? Pretty sure I have. Yeah, I do. Will I get a low unit? I'm pretty sure I already have all of them. So if I get one, I'm going to trade them. Nope. Cat jobs. Why do cats need jobs in the first place, guys? Alright. Oh, Old Guys About Town. Is this it? Yeah, because I want to get the Meow Medal. And I need the cat food. Alright. Ooh, it's a buffed Jackie Pang. If you guys saw this, tell me what would you do. Let me know down in the comments. If you saw that thing, what are you doing? Are you beating the level? Are you leaving it to get better units? Or are you just going to go get ice cream? I don't know. Tell me. You guys tell me down below. Escaping the home. Alright, now that we got escaping the home. Oh. Back away from me. Okay. Ooh, oh, now it's a doggy? Battle Cats, what is going on here? I remember my first ever true formed unit, like with actual cat fruit, was, I think it was Tin Cat. My first ever true form unit was Lollycat. 300 years probation. I had to turn off the lock item because I knew it was going to do something. I have all the crazed units too. I think the last crazed unit I got was in February. Because I got Crazed Titan in January. Alright, so we have another one of these bears, but they're not that hard to kill, guys. So, a bear and a brawler. Hold on, how many levels are in here? 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be our 5th stage. So let's just complete this, and then I'm gonna end the video. And then I'm gonna see if I can get the live streams working. Maybe I'll go live in a little bit. Who knows? Probably not, because I want to see if I can get it to work first. Okay, there we go. Courier Cat. I remember I got Courier Cat thinking like late February. I think late February is when I got him, because I remember I beat my first behemoth duck, like those Kasuri and Aruhio. That's what they're called. I beat it in like February, I think. Alright, next level. I remember when I beat Ritual Happiness because I needed it. So far I have all the medals except for, I have all the Meow medals for like the seasonal stages. Just for, not for October, not for September yet. For October, November. I don't have it for December, but I do have it for January. So I need, how many more months left are in the year? So if you're not counting September, that would be October, November, so 3. Counting September would be 4. I remember when I first started my YouTube channel last year in August 23rd. I remember when I started it. I played, my first video was Rolling Sky. It's like a Rolling Sky video. Living the dream. Courier and then a couple more stuff. Although Courier is like the fastest cat that we have here. I have to do a little bit of editing because I had to cut the video there. And you're here, of course, so I'm going to save up for... I never really use Garu anymore. I don't want to take him out though, so you know what? Let's make him feel special for once. Fanoa. You know what, guys? For the last honorary of my old layout that never gets used anymore, we're going to use it for the next, for like the last levels. We're going to use it. Alright. After this, we're gonna use it. We really are, because I kind of want to, because I never really use it anymore, but I want to use it. I got Garu during the, what is that thing called? I don't know. Hold up. I got it during the Lunar New Year. That's when I got Garu, because I got the special like limited edition pack. I gave you like 7 rare tickets, and I got him on my second to last roll. That's when I got him, and he was actually pretty cool when I got him. I was surprised. I knew about him because I saw a YouTuber who also rolled him. I was just like, whoa, I can get that. So when I finally got the pack, guess what happened? I got him. Oh, wait, no. Like I said, now there's my old loadout. We're going to use it. Oh, but first, we got to use it the original way. Also, why the heck was I using so much Ubers? That's too much. But we're going to leave it. Bahamut, got to go back to his... Oh, that was his first. Yalamoa. Alright, Bahamut. Crazy Bahamut. Because he's crazy. Wife still the boss. I remember when I used to use this, guys. If you guys go check out my old videos from like January, February, you guys will see. I'm in my first Battle Cats video, I think in like December. I'm pretty sure that's when I first did it. I'm using so much Ubers, guys. This is unhealthy amount. An unhealthy amount of Ubers. Nico Luga. Or Nekalan Passel. Hold up, wait, that's not his name. Unknown Cat. He's unknown. I'm gonna put you out, then Kai is next. You guys, I know now, but this is an unhealthy amount of Ubers, like literally unhealthy. I said Kachiyama is next. Alright, I never even use these Ubers anymore, guys. I probably should use them again, but they never get used. These guys are gonna die if I don't put out any more stuff. Alright. Come on. Is this the last level? Because I'm not entirely sure if it's the last level or not. Upgrade. No, bro just wasted his attack right there on air. He lost his attack on air. Another one. Another Kai. I just gotta edit and I'm gonna eat a Lunchable while doing it. I don't know. Alright, now we maxed out. Guys, here are 3 options here. Here are 3 options here. I'm going to give you 3 options. You have to guess which one is my favorite music in all of Battle Cats. Number 1, ELC Moon Theme. Number 2, COTC Battle Theme. And then number 3, ITF Moon Theme. Comment down below. Alright. Did you guys guess? Alright. I'm going to say it in 3, 2, 1. Just kidding. You guys will get the answer on the live stream. Or in the next video. And then show the next videos when I'll get it. We have double Kachiyama out here now, but This loadout sucks. I'm losing with it. Kivalan's dead already. I don't have Garu or Fanoa up in this. I have Bahamut. He's like my best attacker in here. I remember this is a layout I used to beat Garu Amigo. It was horrible. This is the only one time we're using this, and probably won't bring it back out till like December or something because of how horrible it is. But it's true. Probably won't bring it out for another while. I remember Thanksgiving on last year. I did something in Battle Cats, and I think I don't know. I think I got another Uber when I rolled Thanksgiving. I think I got Kachi. I think I got Kachi on Thanksgiving last year, but that's according. Oh, Kibalan's not dead. Yeah, this layout sucks. Like, literally, we're gonna get those two slow try harder guys out here. Just watch. Okay, you know what? Probably gonna get with this. We're not bringing this loadout out for a long time. We're really not bringing it out for a long time, guys, because of how horrible it is. So that's why I'm not bringing it out. And I just hurt myself. Alright. Oh! Sorry, guys. I had to do that. I have to stop doing that to you guys, but Bahamut needs another. Bahamut needs his awakened form. Alright. So now let's go back in here. Let's go in here to win. There we go. Courier knows what to do. Okay. There's Bahamut. Next we're gonna do Fanoa, then Garu. Okay, Fanoa, I'm ready for you. Okay, Fanoa. Alright, there you go. There's Fanoa. We need Garu since he's like the only person here good for traitless. Yeah. Come on, 5,400. Alright, there we go. They still haven't released Dark Fanoa yet. They really haven't. And here comes the normal version of those, those big buff dogs. Here comes the normal version. There's a normal version of the buffed bear. Come on, Garu, let's go. He's there. He came to the rescue. Sadly, we don't have Saber to save the day, though. Save the day. There we go. Is this the last level, or do I have to play another one? Because I'm pretty sure this is the last level. Yup, it is. Respect your elders. Since my friend is kind of older than me, that's what he always says to me. Thank you guys so much. Oh, wait. Before I do that, I want to show you guys. Nope. Okay, this one's for Autumn, and then this one's for Love, and then this one's for Jingle Cat Bell, and then we go back. Oh, it's right here. Alright, well, I'm going to go eat, edit this, publish this out, and see if I can get the lives to work. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye.